Hello and welcome to my channel, A&A Snakes and More, or my other house channel, A&A Snakes and Stuff. Today we'll be talking about Lego. We see Disney and Lego collaborating all the time. From Star Wars to Cinderella Castle to the superheroes of Marvel, there are many Lego sets for everyone's interest. We've recently spotted a new Lego Time Marvel set on Shop Disney. And it is so cool. Disclosure, this part may contain affiliate links, which means when you click a link and make a purchase, we receive a commission. For all the Wolverine fans out there, we think you're going to love this new Lego set. It is an iconic Wolverine feature, and now you can build it and have it yourself. That's right. We're talking about Wolverine's Adamantium claws. This claw set is inspired by Marvel Studios' X-Men '97 TV series and is 596 pieces. It even has posable claws and movable fingers. Because of its complexity, it is recommended for adults. This would be a great addition for all of you Wolverine fans. Thank you for watching this video and peace out till the next one.